Hi, I'm Tim Lutkin, the creative director for this brand new nighttime show at Disneyland Paris, Disney Tales of Magic. The show is a groundbreaking, fully immersive experience that takes technology and storytelling to new heights. For the very first time, not only will we be projecting onto Sleeping Beauty's castle, but also Main Street, USA, with stunning visual immersive worlds and a beautiful new soundscape. We combined high-definition projections, drones, synchronized fountains, ultra-bright laser technology, and an exclusive tailor-made soundtrack to bring this one-of-a-kind emotional journey to life at Disneyland Paris. These nighttime spectaculars, a true hallmark of the Disney resorts, have defined the spirit of entertainment in the park. Our hope is that Disney Tales of Magic inspire every guest to discover their inner magic.
Thanks for watching this video. Please consider to support us with a super thanks. This allows us to make more fun videos in the future for your enjoyment. Your support is highly appreciated. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to give us a like on this video. Have a magical day.